Welcome to this tutorial on Revolut accounting exports. Revolut is a popular digital banking platform that allows users to manage their finances effectively. Exporting accounting data from Revolut is a crucial step for businesses and individuals who need to track their expenses, income, and other financial transactions. To begin, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the dashboard. From there, click on the Accounting tab, which can be found on the left-hand side of the screen. This tab provides an overview of your financial transactions, including payments, transfers, and refunds. Next, click on the Exports button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the Accounting tab. This will take you to the Export page, where you can choose the type of data you want to export. Revolut allows you to export data in various formats, including CSV, Excel, and PDF. Select the format that is most suitable for your accounting needs. For example, if you use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, you may want to export your data in CSV format. On the other hand, if you prefer to analyze your data in a spreadsheet, Excel format may be a better option. Once you have chosen the format, select the date range for which you want to export data. You can choose a specific period, such as a month or a quarter, or you can export data for the entire year. Make sure to select the correct date range to avoid missing any important transactions. After selecting the format and date range, click on the Export button to download your data. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the export is complete, you can open the file in your preferred accounting software or spreadsheet program. It is essential to note that Revolut exports data in a standardized format, which makes it easy to import into most accounting systems. However, you may need to perform some basic formatting and categorization to ensure that your data is accurate and up to date. In conclusion, exporting accounting data from Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following this guide, you can easily export your financial transactions and use them to inform your business decisions. Remember to always choose the correct format and date range, and to perform any necessary formatting and categorization to ensure that your data is accurate and reliable.